Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video in the Viewing the Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. We got Samsung in the news and then slamming on the table a brand new beast. We got a new foldable smartphone on the market from Samsung, and it looks nothing like the original Galaxy Fold. But it is the successor to the Galaxy Fold. It looks sleek, it looks nice, it looks beautiful. Now, we're not getting every single spec that we should be getting so far as what this smartphone entails. We do have some, we'll get to that in a second, but I got a question for you. Who is this type of smartphone for? Because this is definitely nostalgia days being brought back by Samsung. Is it for the millennials? Or is it for the ladies to be able to easily slide into their purse? Or for guys to slide easily into their skinny jeans? Or is it for the old school person, right? Just kind of takes you way back. Now, this looks a lot better than what I've seen come from the Motorola Razr. It looks 10 times better than that. Now, I'm liking the way the display looks. I like the border that's going around the display. It looks nice. It still looks like it goes edge to edge. Now, the device itself looks a little bit beefier, but it shouldn't be a problem because the phone actually flips and folds in half. So you should be able to slide it in anything nice and easy with no problem. But my question is, where is the display on the outside? How do I read my notification without opening up the smartphone? That would be a big deal for me because I don't want to always have to continue to open and close. And how long is the hinges going to last? We don't know, right? Eventually, Samsung will let us know how much they have tested this. But looking at it, giving it a number from 1 to 5, I'm going to give it a 5 out the door. Samsung did a great job with this one. Clamshell version of a foldable phone. It looks nice. Now, so far as the specs is concerned, we got Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 or 865 that's going to be in this smartphone, and 256 gigabytes of storage, a 4G version of this, and possibly a 5G version as well. It's rumored to have super fast charging. I don't know what that entails. I don't know what it means, but eventually, as we get closer and closer to the event, we will find out. Now, the camera is the dual camera. It should be a 12 megapixel camera. Also, it's going to have a single punch hole in the display, quite like what we got on the Galaxy Note and what we should see on the Galaxy S20 as well. The display is rumored to be a 7.2 inch display, which should be nice, especially when you fold it in half to put it away. And the price tag, people, the price tag has been broken down in half, which makes this affordable. So the smartphone should cost us somewhere around $1,000. What do you think thus far? Me personally, I think Samsung did a really good job with this design. It looks beautiful, it looks premium, and definitely it looks sleek. All right, you all, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this smartphone. Is this a buy for you? Will you choose this over the Galaxy S20 or not? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.